Hello everyone! Today I will prepare a simple, fast and easy egg flour soup that you can make when you're in a hurry and want a warm dish without needing too many ingredients or kitchen tools. For this particular recipe we will need the following ingredients: 80 grams finely diced carrot, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon white pepper and half teaspoon ginger powder, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1.5 liters chicken stock, 3 beaten eggs, 3 teaspoons cornstarch, 2 garlic cloves, 50 grams canned corn, 3 thin sliced green onions, separating the green young leaves from the rest of the onion. We will begin by adding 3 tablespoons cold water and the cornstarch. Then add ginger powder, white pepper and chili flakes and mix them together. Depending on how salted the chicken stock is, we will add salt to taste. Now I will add the pressed garlic over the beaten eggs and whisk them together. This helps release the garlic flavor into the egg mixture and make the egg drops more aromatic. Our next step is to bring the chicken stock to a boil in a pot and then add the diced carrot first. We will let it boil for 7 minutes on high heat because the carrot takes more time to cook. Now add the stem part of the spring onion together with the canned corn to the pot. Pour the cornstarch mixture plus the sesame oil to your boiling pot, cooking everything for another 7 minutes. Our vegetables shouldn't be totally tender because we'll cook them a bit longer until we finish pouring the egg mixture. The last step is to pour in the egg mixture and form the egg drops. We will do this by stirring slowly with a fork in one direction to get the soup moving and pouring the beaten eggs into the soup in a slow but steady stream. This soup is finished by adding a thin stream of beaten eggs to the boiling broth in the final moments of cooking, creating thin, silken strands or flakes of cooked egg that float in the soup. When done, add the finely chopped onion leaves and boil everything on medium heat for 2 minutes. You can now serve the soup after adding your desired optional seasoning. I hope you will enjoy this simple and quick Chinese dish and add it to your list of favorite recipes.